The honor is really mine for me to be standing here amongst all of you on this very special day of yours. Not many years ago, I was there among all of you. And I wish that all of you become more famous, more richer, more powerful than me. I sincerely wish that for every one of you, because it is possible. When I was studying, my mom and dad told me, study, 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 study. You'll make it. You'll make it big, study, study, study. I know I shouldn't be advising you, but I studied really hard. I topped 10th standard, I topped 12th standard, I topped college. But then, when I wanted to study further, my parents could not afford it. I could not afford to study further. And I had no dream, no future, nothing. So what I'm trying to say is, I know that you believe that you are supposed to take the path that your parents, that everyone expects of you. But I am here to tell you to dream. Dream whatever you want and you will achieve it. You will fail. It is hard, but you should persist. And that's what I did. I ate one meal a day for at least 2 months. I worked odd jobs. And I'm here today. So I'm saying, if I was able to do it, you can. You are the future of this country, the only future of this country. And I salute you. And I wish you the very, very best. And thank you for having me.
Good evening, representatives of the Government of Telangana, weavers, designers, and my dear ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor for me to stand here to speak about reviving handloom. I must confess, this has become my mission, and it has given me a lot of purpose. As an actor over the many years, I have been blessed to have a lot of love and affection, but of late, I have realized that it has not been just because of the movies alone. What we do both on screen and off screen has a great impact on people. I have been associated with Pratyusha, an organization that helps underprivileged children with healthcare and education. Through this organization, we have touched the lives of many, many children. And I stand here today promising the same, that I will do everything in my power to change the lives of the handloom sector of this state. When you're famous, for whatever reason that might be, particularly an actor, most people don't realize that you're haunted by this question, yes, you're famous, but what exactly did you do to get that love in people's hearts? Yes, I act. I pretend to be somebody else for a living. So you can see why that question haunts me extra. This question as to why people love you has been the inspiring force in my life, has pushed me to do more, to be better, to give back. And this question has made me arrive at the doorsteps of this handloom industry. So like others, I set out to be a fashionista. And I love dressing up. I met a lot of designers. I collaborated with them. And then one day I wore this piece that was truly, truly stunning. And I saw the price tag, and even for someone who can afford quite a bit, this would burn a deep hole in my pocket. So I was told that it was handloom. And so I started